Do you think buying a home is out of reach? A fixer-upper might be your way in. These homes typically cost less than move-in ready homes, and that gets your foot in the door, literally and figuratively. And with a bit of work over time, you can make it your own. If this sounds like something you may be interested in, here are some tips to keep in mind. First, location matters, so pick a neighborhood you like or one where home values are rising and new amenities are popping up nearby. Next, budget for surprises and set aside extra cash for repairs or other unknowns. Third, get an inspection so you're aware of any big issues up front. I have excellent inspection resources I can offer. And finally, prioritize your project so you know what to tackle first. At the end of the day, the perfect home is one you both own and make your own. I know our local Westchester, Putnam, Rockland, and lower Dutchess County markets and can show you properties where a little bit of elbow grease and some upgrades will add value, so please reach out. I am Zebby Amy Voss, offering singular service for singular clients.